Ingredients for our kombu soup are dry kombu, potato, tomato, coriander, carrot, chili, chicken stock, minced garlic and chicken. Firstly, boil your dry kombu. While it boils, remove the kombu from the pot and put your chicken. After that, put minced garlic and chicken stock and continue to boil it. Next, put potato and carrot. Add chilies. After the soup is completely boiled, put coriander and tomatoes. Lastly, adjust the taste of the soup. Add little of salt if needed.